Hello, this is Dimitrios, Sierra Victor 2 Golf Whiskey Yankee. Now I will present you the remote controller of a rotator. In front of us we have the November Romeo Charlie 2200 and the Yaesu Rotator G-1000, a brand new. Here on this browser we have in the local network 192.168.1.130, and on this browser it is in a remote computer that is several kilometers west, and in my dynamic local IP. It's not static. So we have the remote control, and we have the buttons, and of course the remote via the network. Let's see. As we press it, you see that increasing the degrees. Let's go to 90 degrees. Degrees. Then we have the remote control. To left, to right, and the OK it's supposed to stop, but it doesn't work all the time. Let's see. This is crazy. Anyway. According to the manual, if I would press the OK, it will stop. It doesn't stop. Ah, it stopped now. 180, let's see. Yep. To the left. Stop. Not stop it. No. Ah, no. So we have the manual with the remote control. Let's go to the local network. It's also say 115 degrees. The same on the panel. And I will say let's go to the preset, the third one, to south. On the lower side it is the preset, the memory, and on the upper side is the target. 180. Correct. Let's go to the remote PC. I will choose 330. 196, 205. We'll stop. Yes. Correct. About the wiring, it is the +5 . This is the port of the potentiometer, of the internal potentiometer. Inside there is adjustable resistance at 500 ohms. So it is around 1 point something ohm per degree. The third block is the ground, and then the other two are for the 24 volts turning the motor inside. When it is plus or minus, it goes counterclockwise, or minus and plus clockwise. 24 volts. It is an excellent option. That's why I bought it, to build a remote station, remote SDR, remote RX station. But anyway, you can also rotate the antenna stuff also from transmitting a remote station. Not to have a computer, dedicated computer, just to operate via any desk. Just plug the RJ45 to the local switch on the local network, and you can control it from anywhere in the world. As I said, this is my dynamic IP, it's not static. Now I will press the preset to 045. The other menu, that's on the screen, the other menu. You can select whatever in local IP you want. The 6 presets are the name of the remote controller, and this you can adjust the 0 and the full 360 degrees. And as you see, I didn't made any plus or minus adjustment of the 0 degree. Just plug and play, plug and play. Excellent product, and I think it is the only one on the market. The only one on the market. You must pay attention about the wiring. Take a look. This is the connector inside that goes to the controller of the Yaesu. This one. This is number 1 from the right, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. This is one by one the same pins on the rotator. Number 6 pin is for the biggest model of the Yaesu, the 2800. So it's not necessary to buy the 6 by 1 square millimeter for the cable. Only 5 by 1 square millimeter. Let's turn it on again. You will see the name I gave it, the local IP, starting to 0. If I press the right, it will turn around to clockwise. You press it, it turns. You leave it, it stops. If I press the left button, it will go counterclockwise. And when it will reach the 0 degrees, the north, it will stop automatically. Yes. It doesn't have the it doesn't decrease the speed as the controller of the Yaesu. It doesn't have it, this one, but it runs rather smooth. Never regret it. November Robert Charlie 2200. From Sierra Victor 2 Golf Whiskey Yankee. I hope that helped anyone who was interested about this stuff. It's a very good one, and it is the only product in the market that you can remote control your rotator without a dedicated personal computer to be online. Just a router and then the November Romer Charlie 2200. 73 from Sierra Victor 2 Golf Whiskey Yankee. SV2 God with you 73.